What are you doing?
Crossing, you're supposed to take a picture of me.
Supposed to take a picture of you doing what?
Crossing.
Now do it again.
Okay. Ready? Okay, do the pose. Oh, you're gonna walk backwards?
Careful. You're so gonna bite it.
Oh, careful. Careful.
Backwards with the eyes closed. Now that's talent.
Wow. You did that with your eyes closed. Ta-da, and forward now. Go!
Whoa!
Careful.
I
Gotta do it again, huh? Okay.
Found a kitty.
And after the kitty.
Scared the heck out of General.
Poor cat.
Now go.
Okay, you ready for the picture? All right. Okay, we got the picture, go. Uh-oh, now she's running.
Speed run.
Careful of the lights. What are you doing now? You're climbing over the fence? Careful. Now I know how you ripped your pants. Congratulations.
Watch this when I play.
Uh-oh, are you stuck? Better go help her, Dad.
I wanted to sit back and laugh. Okay, I'm coming, Nadine. I'm coming. Are you sure? No. Uh-oh. Wow. Holy crap. What the? How did you do that? She had her pants wrapped up in the fence so good.